Round here. And I got cheese. Got your weed flow. What you need, boy, is the fuck with your boy. I got cheese, hoes, and a bunch of fucking dope. I got cheese. Ooh. What you need, bro, is the fuck with your boy. I got cheese, hoes, and a bunch of fucking dope. I got cheese, hoes, and some killers that they don't. Got your weed, hoes, and a quarter ounce of dope. What you need, bro, is the fuck with your boy. You can duck from the dick, I can escalate. Once I get my cheese on the road, then I must be paid. If you wanna come against the dog, bring your own day. But you shut your slice like a dope with a slice right there. Sipping on some Paul A. Newson, like some sweet Kool-Aid. Strap with me an automatic gun, don't you violate. Niggas said no snitch on me, dog. I didn't hesitate. Told him in the I had you, but was great. Players wanna come to the hood, but forgot the fear. Knowing it ain't all to the good, you can get it here. Wrong face at the wrong time, call it slippers go. Those things keep me up with them, and my pockets full. Eyes red as hell, cause I ain't at a dick to sleep. Stole a coat of balls so that I can stay on my feet. Any bitch just the same as a nigga too. If you trusted hoes in this game, use the damn food. Boy, cheese, hoes, and a bunch of fucking dope. I got weed, coke, and some killers that they don't. I got weed, coke, and a quarter ounce of dope. What you need, bro, is to fuck with your boy. Cause I got it by myself. Cause I got it by myself. It's good for my health. They say Kodak, why you move like that? 50 D's. Why your eyes like that? Cause I put Molly in my knees. Cause I got it by myself. I don't need no vitamin C. I be smoking broccoli. They say it's good for my health. I'm living from down. I like my money fast, moving like a snail. All I smoke is out on a paper trail. Oh, okay. Say that thing. Say that thing. Fuck this shit. You done showed yourself. Minute word. I'm on money, I'm on me. Why your eyes like that? And that's what money in my knee. What up, my boy? What's going on, my dude? Damn, that was a nice fish back there. Where'd he go, bro? Born is born. 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 Got you, got you. Hopefully work is going good for you. Why you move like that? In the club, BBD. Why your eyes like that? The left of my leg. Cause I got it by myself. I don't need nobody to see me. I be smoking broccoli. They say it's good for my health. I'm a healthy kid. Uh-huh. Healthy kid.
The zone now. Yo, you know, a lot of folks ask me why I call myself the king of Memphis. Basically, because niggas studying us, you know what I'm saying? A lot of shit that we doing.
Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. To the back of the we the type of people make the club get pumped.
Many a day has passed, the night has gone by. But still, I find the time to put that bomb off in your eye. Total chaos. For these playoffs, thought we would compensate. We're taking another route to represent the dungeon family like Grey Day. Me and my nigga decide to take the back way. We stabbing every city that we headed to that back page. ATL, Georgia, with the euphoria. Bulldog and hoes like them Georgetown Hawkers. Boy, you kinda silly. Say my room is sitting pretty. Doing donuts like you suckers like some suckers on rock titties. Damn, we the committee, gon' burn it down. But let's go bust you in the mouth with the cord snap.
Bust that buzz. Everybody move to the back of the bus. We the type of people make the club get pumped. We the type of people make the club get pumped.
I met a gypsy and she hit me to some life game to stimulate and activate the left and right brain. The baby boy, you only broke your egg your last cut. You focus on the past, you ask to be your half what. That's what you live by, or either that's what you die to. I try to just show it at you, determine your own adventure, Andre. Got to a station, it's my destination. Got to bust the conversation. My favorite group ain't coming with it, but I'm with you cause you're probably going through it anyway. But anyhow, when in doubt, went on out and bought it cause I thought it would be jamming, but they slamming on the block shit. Walking off it, sad and it's costly, but that's all shit. Broke and I hope I never have to float in that boat. Up shit's creek, it switch, it's the last quote that I wanna hear when I'm going down. When all said and done, and we got a new Joe in town. When the record player get the skipping and slowing down, all y'all can say is them niggas earn the crown, but until then.
Oh, in a bad area? That camera start flickering, just let me know and I'll move. We the type of people make the club get we the type of people make the club get pumped. We the type of people make the club get pumped.
said, bro, why I thought this was the Mickey Mouse song.
Outkast, my boy. The best group to ever do it.
Purple said, hi. Purple said, bro, it sounded weird at first.
It's that Rosa Parks.
It's just major right here, you know what I'm saying? Yo, son.
Streamlabs said, thank you for
Cappuccino.
following Cappuccino.
Appuccino, appreciate the follow.
5-minute timeout for Purple for that comment.
Facts, golfer. Facts. Do better. Get your shit together, Perp. Get your shit together. Dog is in the house barking at me outside. Chill out. Calm yourself. I guess I'm by your duck, huh? Protecting it all. Even from afar. Bleep, 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 bleep.
Got together to do this.
Purple said, hot diggity.com.
Hot dog. Sing along. See, this is the way that we walk on the sunny day when it's raining inside and out all alone. Yeah, 'cause the whole world. And the whole world loves it when you're in the news. And the whole world loves it when you say I'm blue.
Take a little trip here to tackle your mind. Before we're not behind, let me see what you find. I called a sucker down because I thought it could rhyme. If his mama is a
Two dogs in there.
I got a new. Don't take no shots, I don't lose a reaper. Nation, I don't even play the radio neither. Only if I need to notice. The brother, I'm a cool type of brother, but yep, your head I separate from the neck. See, ain't nothing changed, it's the stage. Set a date, sucker, in battle we can engage. I slice you, wipe you, marry you, divorce you. So what force you is what I'm forced to do. My back against the wall, bring it back out. No, it ain't went nowhere like heavy hair with style and jail in it.
Or curl in it, red and maybe shit up, no shell in it. Whatever floats your boat, find your lonesome remote. And this is for the people wearing out there who got laid off. Take my shades off.
If you look straight in my eyes, just name my city in the sky.
The whole world loves it when you jump in town. And the whole world loves it when you
Better
jump
Paul
in
said,
town.
well, that's what a boss called it's going good girl.
Bet. You all good, my dude. Take it easy.
Play I crime, with the crime, roll with the rhyme, stick with the slime. My words are diamonds, dug out of mine. Spit them, polish, look how they shine.
Glitter, glisten, gloss. I catch a beat running like Randy Moss.
Right that bitch off like a brand new walk. I'm rolling my smoke, gathering no more. Mommy, I'm coming out.
Hope you get old.
I rock you on boat like a Leah and talk.
Back,
Forth. Get that fella on course. Make that track a torque.
rap, roll.
Utterly rock with my mouth to the mic and my hand on my cock.
Cadillac Outcast, just won't stop.
Better Paul said, last episodes is good, but I'm tired of all this damn talking deep.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you the same exact thing. I was gonna say the same exact thing, but I think next episode should be some action, just because of how that episode ended. What he said at the end, what was the last words of the episode? And now it begins.
Turn on the TV and everything was looking dismal. Went in the bathroom and his cabin kept abysmal. Needed for my stomach.
At least now we know who Darren is.
Straw fresh about the plate. Wait, back to the enemy of the state is the Republic.
For sure.
I agree.
We know Corliss ain't dead. Don't look like it's gonna be no consequences for calling a kid bastards. Which it shouldn't be. And I don't know if you looked into I don't know if you looked at after the episode they give you a little preview of the next season, but Aemon is still alive. Which some bullshit, but he is still alive. Old girl didn't let him die.
I was waiting on that email.
Mm-hmm. Old girl didn't let Aemon die. She must have helped him.
Better mindset. I ain't seen that, but I figure.
Yeah. That's some bullshit. Kill his ass already. Damon know about Raina now. Still kind of got to see where that's gonna go, cause I know.
That big annoying man and she hella sneaky.
Yeah. 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 I'm pretty sure Rhaenyra don't believe Damon when it comes to that head he dropped on the table. That sheep stealer's rider. I'm pretty sure she don't believe that shit.
Better mindset. Your man now that was messed up, but he fucked up again.
He did. He stay fucking up though. He don't give a fuck. He don't give no fuck about fucking up.
Better mindset. Not that and his ex-wife gone dead in her ear.
Mm-hmm.
Better mindset. Bro, since day one he's in a fuck up, but he's also.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, like you said, it's time for some more action.
That scene was so Costin and Dragon really won.
Who you talking about? When he went to find Raina, or when he went and found Raina? I mean, you could say that they really ain't got their dragons trained either, cause he was trying to tell his dragon not to go over there. Still went.
Yeah.
You could say they dragons ain't trained either. They didn't listen when he told it wrong way. You're going the wrong way. He was just along for the ride at that point. So can you really be mad at Raina now? After seeing that from your own dragon? Solo in the mother freaking building. What's going on, my dude?
Better mindset. He's now the dragon, though you gotta remember their instinct is to protect the